So in Pila Pharma, we have an idea to develop a new diabetes drug. It's based on a discovery I made almost 20 years back when working in the big pharmaceutical industry. And the whole idea is to block the so-called chili receptor and thereby regulate people's ability to secrete insulin and thereby control their blood glucose. So we believe that we are unique in the world actually by having a molecule, a safe clinical stage molecule, a small molecule that effectively blocks the so-called chili receptor, and we have also now demonstrated that it has an effect in diabetic patients to promote insulin secretion. We believe this molecule to be unique in that other molecules of the same type that blocks the chili receptor, they have had problems with safety, but ours seem to be very safe, and thereby we are probably in the lead in the world with taking forward a molecule like this. And the chili receptor is involved in regulation of inflammation, and I personally believe inflammation is very important in diabetes. That's why we want to use that target to treat diabetes. But it's also involved in regulation of course, inflammation in everything, but pain. And pain is also probably an underserved market. So we hope that with time we can actually be one of the companies developing a painkiller on this target. It's something that other big pharma companies have tried and failed with, but we believe that with our asset there is actually a good chance that we may have a safe at least, but hopefully also effective painkilling effect. We'll see in the future. So in Pila Pharma, we are right now focusing on delivering according to the plan we presented when we listed the company at Nasdaq First North. And that plan is a 3-year plan to get to phase 2B positive results in early 2024. Before that, we have to do more compound and then some more safety studies in laboratory animals to progress to this new clinical trial that we can hopefully conduct during 2023. So it's a process to get to phase 2B. It takes 2 to 3 years, so there's a long way to the big trigger, but we are working dedicatedly on that. So I think that those of you who haven't invested yet should join our journey. There are several reasons for that. One is that we are on a really exciting journey with a totally new target, so scientifically it is a new wonder we are going to develop, I hope. The other thing is that we have a very stringent plan, and we have a track record for doing what we say and saying what we do on a very good cost-effective budget. So we will deliver as planned, is my big conviction. And that also then relates to that if we get good phase 2B results in 2024, the value of the company will go significantly up. And therefore, we could say that it's the value of the share would have the possibility to grow a lot. Then we have other plans. We cannot disclose them at the moment, but I hope that we can add on value to the project going forward on a regular basis. So hopefully you will, if you join now, there will be also goodies for the near future.